Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Nasrah binti Umar. My matric number 255838. My supervisor is Dr. Nasiah binti Hamid. Today, I am presenting final year research. The topic is environmental awareness and practice of SMEs in food and beverages industry in Penang. Here is my poster, but I will explain the content through the slide. First of all, for the introduction, small and medium-sized enterprise SMEs is the large company exceed 90% in Malaysia. As we know, SMEs give a lot of contribution to our economy in Malaysia. However, it is difficult for them to take care of environment with the implementation of environmental practice. The implementation of good environmental practice in SMEs depend on various factors, both from external and internal environment of the enterprise. Increased economic activities in developing countries bring about more vitality and demand for consumption, which largely cause environmental damage. For the problem statement, one of the problems of SMEs in food and beverages industry is often due to obsolete technology and protective equipment. The main cause of environmental problem is triggered by the meeting human needs through aggressive economic activities. This problem will bring the negative consequence to the social and the environment. Next is the research objective. First, to analyze the effect of environmental awareness on environmental practice in SMEs. Second, to analyze the awareness about environmental issues and problems in SMEs. And lastly, to analyze kind of attitude is held by owner and manager of SMEs toward environment. For the research methodology that used in this research is qualitative approach, which is semi-structured interview was conducted with the two selected SMEs in food and beverages industry. The first company is Bonda Maju Food Industry and the second company is the Cik Maju Enterprise. The first objective to analyze the effect of environmental awareness on environmental practice in SMEs. The environmental practice that implemented by Bonda Maju Food Industry state that the principle of the 3 R's, which is reduce, recycle, and reuse. The effect is, if we take care of environment, we can make surrounding clean, especially when their company run in food industry. The most important to make sure that the cleanliness of the place that they work. While Cik Maju Enterprise state that choice of the product through product selection free of non-polluting toxic substance environment. The effect is they will feel comfortable doing work because their place is not polluted, with which can contribute to discomfort to themselves and employees. The second objective to analyze awareness about environmental issues and problems in SMEs. Manager of Bonda Maju Food Industry state that the pollution occurred in Sungai Kimkin at Johor Bahru. The pollution that have occurred has threatened aquatic life where their habitat has been polluted by humans. This aquatic life will also die due to lack of oxygen to breathe because the river water has been polluted. The manager of Bonda Maju Food Industry state that their company do not have big environmental problem because they are just a small factory. While owner of Cik Maju Enterprise state that the example pollution occurs in manufacturing industry, which is emission of the smoke. The widespread emission of smoke from factories will cause haze. This will give detrimental effect on society because irresponsible human attitude can even treat human life. The owner also state that they also have lack of problem of environmental issues because they do not use hazardous material in producing their product. The last objective is to analyze kind of attitude is held by owner and manager of SMEs toward environment. The manager of Bonda Maju food industry state that need to have awareness in order to focus on healthy environment, care for the benefit of all of us. When the environment is not well cared, it will adversely affect life on this earth. The attitude of manager who need to have is caring and honest attitude in doing something, because if a person honest, they will not doing things that are forbidden. While owner of Cekya Maju Enterprise state that awareness is important because it can make our life more secure. If we lack awareness about the environment, we will not care, so it will give bad effect on us. In terms of the attitude need to have as the owner and managers of SMEs is responsible, because when a person is responsible for something, they will care and will not neglect the responsibilities given. For the summary finding, we can conclude that both SMEs implement environmental practice which are use the principle of the 3 R's and selection of the materials that are free from non-polluting toxic substance. Meanwhile, the pollution caused by human activities, especially in manufacturing industry. The owner and manager of SMEs know the current issue and problems occur in manufacturing industry and also have good attitude toward the environment. The owner and manager of SMEs has understood the environmental awareness and practice in food and beverages industry. For the conclusion, based on the finding, this research may provide guidelines in promoting environmental awareness and practice among SMEs, especially in Penang. In order for a country moving toward sustainability, environmental awareness and practice must be not neglected by the SMEs. This study carries the awareness of the owner and managers of SMEs to always taking care of environment for our common goods. Finally, it will become to end of this video. Thank you for watching and listening to my video. If you have any question or any inquiry, you may contact me at this number, and you can also email me that was provided in this slide. Thank you.